Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, I will explain how to make MPF with simple rectangle, nesting, and posting, making MPF by using HK Monocut. To start HK Monocut, click Menu, select on HMI. Click right arrow on the right and click Monocut to start program. Next, you have to make rectangle first. So select rectangle, set part dimension, length, width, material, thickness, type of gas, and check starting point, cut direction, lead and spec. After that, click select to show part on the right side. Now select equipment door type, S or L, and input nesting count, nesting direction, nesting space and margin, recommended 10 millimeters. Click Generate File on below, then whole nesting layout and G-code will be shown. To use this file, click Save to File. Set path and file name or create folder. If you need, click Save to save file as MPF. Now go back to HMI to load MPF file by using Add Job and start cutting. Thank you.